So finally came in my iPhone 6 Plus. I hope this is. So let's open it up. Yep. So let's put that aside. So here is my iPhone 6 Plus. I've been waiting for this for over 2 months now. 64 gigabytes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, so let's open it up. Just slides up like that. Just the only thing that kind of bummed me out was that they didn't put like a picture on the front. It's like they kind of ran out of ink. But yeah, here's the top. Gold iPhone on the side. And here's the phone. iPhone 6 Plus in gold, of course. Protruded camera. Yeah. Touch ID. Let's put that to the side. And what's kind of funny is they actually put a hole in the holder for the protruded camera. Let's put that to the side. Here's information, as always. You got your Apple stickers, manual, information, Apple stickers, all in there. And then underneath you have your Apple headphones. There's a little pouch. The cube that you put in the cable into. Then you have your Lightning USB cable. It's pretty nice. The cable always breaks on me, so I always get it like an aftermarket one. So let's put everything to the side. So here's the iPhone 6 Plus. Here's my iPad mini right here in comparison. It's almost the same thing, but like if you put it, the phone can fit in the screen of the iPad mini, so the iPad mini is still bigger. But this is like a phablet, pretty much. 5.5-inch screen. Yeah. The case I'm going to be using for it is the Spigen case. I did a review on it in my other videos. So, yeah. So in total, iPhone feels very good. It's actually quite heavier than I expected it to be, but it's nice and big. I know I'm going to like this phone right from the box. I'd recommend it. And about the whole bending, it really does not feel like it's going to bend at all. And it might look like there's a little bend, but I'm using a fisheye lens for this video. I put it on top of my iPhone 5. And I'm just waiting for my new DSLR to come in. Canon T5i. Yeah, so go to the store, get this phone. Just I got it like the first day it was released. I ordered it that day, and it took like 2 months to ship. It was crazy. Month and a half to 2 months. Oh, the ring around the camera is protruded. Well, yeah, it's protruded, but it's gold. Pretty nice. Yep. Here's my iPhone 6 Plus, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.